Ready to install and set up your Nest Protect smoke and CO alarm? Let's walk through the process step by step so you can keep your home safe and secure in no time.
There's smoke in the living room.
Choose a ceiling or high wall location, away from air vents or windows. Use the included mounting plate and screws to securely install the device. Power it up either by inserting batteries or connecting to a wired power source. Download the Google Nest app on your smartphone or tablet. Follow the in-app instructions to scan the QR code on your Nest Protect. Connect it to your Wi-Fi and assign it a location, like hallway or kitchen. Enable app. Silence to hush alarms from your phone when there's no danger. Turn on Pathlight, which softly lights up your way when it detects motion. Allow notifications and alerts so you're warned of smoke or CO wherever you are. That's all it takes to set up your Nest Protect. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.